y'all, it's your boy Freeway. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting videos all month long. So right now, I'm about to cook some salmon nuggets. I'm pretty sure half of y'all don't even know what that is, but y'all finna find out. So right now we got our salmon, we got the cornmeal, and I just gotta get some seasonings out. I'm lazy. Don't ever ask me to make no video because it's just too much. Prepping is not for me. But let me get this stuff out and then we're gonna get into it. All you gonna need, your seasonings, your salmon, your bowl, cornmeal, and flour. Now let me show you what you gotta do with this. Got the green bean situation going on. Now once you got your little salmon separated, what you wanna do is go on and get all your little dry ingredients and mix them all in a bowl. Okay, so we're gonna start cutting up this salmon. And look at this bowl. So you want to just make it into little pieces. Alright, let me wash the chicken off. Let me wash this salmon off. Alright, so the first thing you want to put in this bowl is your flour. And I'm not gonna say a measurement because it depends on how much you cooking. I'm just gonna put what I feel like should be in mine. First thing, I wanna put my salt and my pepper in here. It's one step I forgot, but y'all don't gotta do this. This is like a southern thing. We use mustard instead of like milk and eggs. It's just to make the flour stick to the salmon, you know, same thing that y'all use, but not the same thing. Alright, now when you come from the sink, from washing off your salmon, you wanna get you a little bowl, just enough to sit them all in there. And you want to just sit them in there and then start coating them with your mustard. And when I mean by coating them with your mustard, I mean like, for real. Don't be stupid. Don't be stingy with the mustard now. But don't be overdo yourself either, because that's nasty. Now, once you got them in the bowl, what you want to do is just coat them with the cornflour. Just put your dry ingredients on top of it, because I ain't gonna be able to say it. The easiest part of this shit. I hope this oil's not like extra fucking hot. Okay, then you just want to start sitting them in. Oh! You want to just sit them in there. So I just put them in the oil. You want to wait for like 10, 15 minutes. Or or whenever it just looks gold brown to you. And then you want to take them out of the oven and they be done. Boom! Make it for your mama. Woo! Woo! That look good. Okay, now what it tastes like.
It's alright.
See, I told y'all nigga could cook.
Yes, I do.
Taste
What is it?
Just taste it. Tell me if it's good or not.
You got chicken?
Taste it.
I can't eat seafood.
Oh shit, I forgot. Put it down, put it down, put it down. It's salmon. Fuck. Yeah.
Fish?
The E&J bottle?
No. You know in that cup, you take that,
Eat it.
that Remy was in. You know what I'm talking about? The little plastic cup that Remy was in.
My boy had to lift up about it. I'm weak. Chef Boy Zay in the cut, cause who can't cook? Who can't cook? Gourmet meals all around the board, bitch. I fucking hate ices.